Hey y'all, welcome back to the front row. I got another one for y'all today. I'm just getting my hair ready to wash. I like to wash my hair in sections because it seems like it get a little cleaner opposed to like, okay. Uh, okay. My bad. But nah, it seems like my hair gets cleaner when I section it off and wash each individual section opposed to washing it all at once. So I took my hair down and it was like parted like this. So I just used the same parts to wash. And I like to oil my hair. I like to put some oil on my hair before I use the shampoo. So I won't lose so much of my moisture and oil from the kind of shampoo that I use. Well, that's just for any shampoo, period. But they say you're supposed to add a little bit of moisture to your hair before you start like washing it. So that's what I'm doing here. Before I start washing, I'm about to get in the shower and wash my hair a little bit. I'm trying to make sure it's all greased up, oiled up before I get in. Yep, that's just that right.
It's real funny. Yeah. It's real funny.
K off ODT, huh?
Okay. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them get you going in the day. That's what you say. Nigga, I was trying to see me in broad day. I got pounds on the way. In that case, I don't need ammo cause I got it in the safe. Stupid bitch in the way, nigga, put it in a place like a motherfucking narc. She gon' put you in the case, put a hole in his face. He was playing with the rig. When the pack cross over, I'ma put it on skates. It's real funny to them goons in your face. You ain't gon' see another day. Nigga, I'm full, I got place. I done sat down with the greats. I'm steady saying my grace. You know your ass in the way. It say a rabbit today. I wanna be in first place. I send them boys to your place. No, it's not cool or okay. Every day is Christmas. Throw that ass back, she got a wish list. I spent your rent on my damn drip. Walking with a damn lip. Finna pay the ass like a canvas. I got a check for the bandits. You ain't really what you claim. I be in the trenches running shit up with the gang. Since you wanna be a star, sending shit up like a plane. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them niggas run up on you. It's real funny till them.
And actually, from here, I was taking my hair down in the last style that I had it in. And I was like trying to even out the sections because the back, it was like kind of a lot of hair. So I took the ponytail out and I started like kind of parting it out a little bit because I don't want to have too much hair in the back. Because I think my hair, my strands in the back are like 4B, I think. So the porosity level is a little bit different in the back of my head than it is in the front. So I really don't mind if it's a lot of hair in the back that I have to wash, but I still wanted to make it kind of even in the front. So that's what I'm doing here. Just adding a little bit more hair to that section so I can start washing it. I'm not really sure if I was able to see it in the other sections that I wash, but when I got done washing it, I like kind of finger detangled it a little bit with my finger, added a little leave-in conditioner to the section, then I finger detangled it a little bit, and then I made it into a twist just until I got out of the shower. I did each one like that. Like after I got finished washing it twice, I put in some leave-in conditioner, and then I finger detangled it a little bit with my fingers. Got all the dead hair, dead strands off, and then I just twisted it up and put it into a little knot until I got out. And then to the next step, which is going to be blow drying. The next style that I did after this required my hair to be straight as possible, so I blow dried it from here when I get out the shower. I had some of my blow dry cream and my brush ready and got it done. See y'all in the next one.